Hello everyone! In this video, I will be teaching you on how to change your Epic Games email without verification, so let's get started. First, start by searching for Epic Games on Google and click on store.epicgames.com website, usually the first one. Log in with your account if you're not already logged in. After reaching this page, delete in us in the URL and change it to /help. Alternatively, you can click the option that says Help directly. Scroll down to Accounts and then select Epic Games Store. Click on Contact Us. Fill in your name, email address, and select your platform. In the description, explain your issue. For example, I can't access my current email address and would like to change it. Wait for the response. It may take a few days, but make sure to check the email you provided for their instructions. If this guide was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.